Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to passing on the Total Football 2023. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do, for your informations, this is the tutorial menu, okay? And now I will show you how to passing, okay? And you can click start like this, and now you can here is the button on the top of the head of the player, that it's the selected a player. And if you want to passing, you can click the button A to B like this, okay? And you can also hold and only tap the button. If you hold the button, you can give the more powerful passing, okay? But if you just tap the button, the passing will have no power, okay? Like this. Or you can also press and hold the button to passing, okay? So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.